Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Prisma. Today we are going to learn about how to delete the multiple records in Prisma. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we go with the delete multiple records. Okay, so let's create delete multiple records.js file. So let's go and just create it. Okay, so here we go with this one. Let's go and add the code over here. Okay, and which users you want to delete, you need to pass the same array that we have to update in the update section we have done. Okay, so here you can see the Prisma client. Okay, so Prisma client, Prisma delete users by email. So here we are in, and here users to delete, we have the array of object over here. You can see users to delete email we have. So currently what email we have left with, that is John 12 and Jane 11. So John 12 and Jane 11, we want to delete that one. Save this. Okay, so what we have the in operator, the users to delete, map user whatever email we have, so it will use that one. Step by step it will take the email and delete that one. Console.log, if there is an error, it will go with the console.error deleting the users, and then disconnect. Finally call the function to delete the multiple users by email, and if you want to add more records, you can add it over here, and then we can call the function delete users by email, and whatever we want to delete, you need to pass the array of objects over here. Okay, let's try to save this and go to the terminal and run this. So I think which name is delete, I guess delete multiple records. So deleted users count is 3, and if I query records, there is empty array because we have deleted everything. Okay, and here in the DB also you can see it's empty, right? So this is how you can delete multiple records like this. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. In the next series, in the next videos, this is basic the query. I think we have a left with the relationships, that is one to one, one to many. So I have already written down the next one, that is one to many relationships, multiple to one to many. So this relationships is pending. So before that one, we are updating the tutorial regarding how to connect with the MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, then the CRUD operations. So these 6 videos I'm going to discuss in the next one. After that we will come to the relationships, then we come to the migrations. Okay, so step by step, right? Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.